Two cutting-edge video tools. One classic, one AI-powered. Which one really delivers? On the left, VN Video Editor. Fast, manual editing with no watermark. And on the right, Pika Labs. AI-powered, instant video creation for pure creative speed. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Here's what we'll be breaking down. We've got core purpose, ease of use, features and flexibility, price, output quality and speed, plus platform and ecosystem. Yep, all the bases covered, so you'll know what matters most to you. All right, first up, the core purpose. VN Video Editor is that classic timeline editor if you love hands-on, manual video editing. Like, you get multi-layer control, transitions, and actual keyframes, so you can tweak things exactly how you like. Super precise. The only thing is, it's not AI-driven, so you gotta bring your own creativity. Now, with Pika Labs, it's a whole different vibe. You just toss in some text or images, and the AI literally makes videos for you, automatically. It's perfect if you want to go from idea to video with almost zero effort. Downside, you won't get that deep manual editing. And honestly, for classic editing, VN easily takes this round. Moving on to ease of use. Okay, VN Video Editor is pretty painless if you're just sticking to cuts and things. Totally designed for mobile, super clean UI. Love that. But if you need more complex stuff, you might need a little video nerd knowledge. Now, Pika Labs is almost comically simple. You just type what you want or upload an image, and bam, the AI is working for you. It's beginner-friendly, no fiddling at all. But if you want to really dial in those AI prompts, it sometimes takes a bit of trial and error. Still, honestly, for ease, Pika Labs is the winner here. Features and flexibility. Next, VN Video Editor is kind of the king here. You get manual trimming, transitions, layers, audio, subtitles, even green screen stuff. The whole deal. It's all in your hands. The trade-off is, if you're craving fancy AI animations, VN's not that. Everything is manual. With Pika Labs, you definitely get cool AI stuff. Text and image to video, customizable styles, and motion controls. Pretty futuristic, right? But the feature set is still evolving. Videos are shorter, and there's not as much heavy editing power. So, for features overall, VN Video Editor totally leads. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know VN Video Editor has over 100 million downloads worldwide? That's huge! And Pika Labs has been blowing up in 2025 as one of the fastest growing AI video startups. Seriously, both of these tools are everywhere right now. All right, how much is all this going to cost? VN Video Editor is super generous. You get the free app on pretty much every platform, and there's no watermark, which is rare these days. If you want to go wild with effects, there's a premium version, but honestly, for most folks, the free tier is great. Pika Labs offers a free trial and pretty cheap paid plans compared to other AI video platforms. But those full features you see online, yeah, those usually cost you. And the pricing can be a bit of a mystery. So for price, VN wins this one. Now, let's hit output quality and speed. VN Video Editor can deliver super professional video. Like, if you're skilled, your render will look awesome. Plus, you really get to fine-tune every setting. Downside? The speed depends on you and your device. With Pika Labs, it's all about instant video. Blazing fast, plus the AI models keep getting smarter. It's fun for quick content, but the quality does depend on how well you prompt it. Sometimes you gotta tweak that input. Honestly, I'd call this round a tie. And last, platform and ecosystem. VN Video Editor is everywhere. iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, you name it. Tons of resources, massive community, and regular updates. You do need to install the app though, which, if you love browser tools, might be a thing. Pika Labs gives you a sleek web interface and even works through Discord, which is kind of wild. It's still smaller though, not quite as many integrations yet. So for sheer platform reach, VN comes out ahead. Check it out. Here's a side-by-side. VN Video Editor really pushes ahead in classic editing, price, and ecosystem. Pika Labs wows for immediate AI magic and absolute ease of use, but hasn't caught up on heavy features just yet. So, you know what? If you want classic, hands-on editing and you're a bit of a perfectionist, go for VN Video Editor. It's just so easy to get started, whether it's on your phone or laptop. If you want to throw ideas out and instantly get stylish short videos, especially for social media or ads, Pika Labs is wild. It's just fast, fun, and all about creative speed. Ready to create something cool? Try VN if you want manual control, or Pika if you want instant AI magic. And stick around, we've got more creative tool battles coming your way.